Always this feel of joy when you see these Igbo billionaires gather together, either for an event, maybe like a burial ceremony, a wedding, or one thing or the other. There's always this beautiful memory, a beautiful joy attached to it. And this is one of them, guys. This is Obi Cubana chief priest, and all of them, they actually went for a burial ceremony, and that burial ceremony was that of the father of Nwa Jesus. Nwa Jesus is their friend, a very good friend, and he laid the father to rest here in the east. And they all came out massively to show love and support. You could see Instigator PH, you could see Obi Cubana. It was an awesome moment all through. Well, as I will always do, I'll bring you guys the highlight here and show you how these guys enjoy the East. A lot of you will say there's insecurity in the East is not safe, blah, 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 blah. Well, I want you to take a look at the luxury of cars and the luxury of people who actually came out to celebrate this guy. Enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe. Drop your comments below.
Okay, because on mess over. Because ladies and gentlemen, we are about to bring the reason why we are here today. On the church, Divine Majesty. Because the Divine Majesty, but because no ga long what is also now. Because ladies and gentlemen, I want to bring